In this lesson, we will learn what is LangChain. We will also discuss the features as well as its use cases. Let us start. LangChain is a framework designed for developing applications powered by large language models. It simplifies the entire life cycle of LLM applications from development to deployment and monitoring. It is useful for building context-aware and reasoning-based applications. You can easily integrate LLMs into applications, enabling tasks like text generation, RAG, question answering, and others. By chaining multiple models and processes, LangChain allows a user to build complex workflows. With that, you can easily manage various components of an AI system using LangChain. Let us first understand what does LangChain interpret. It means Lang plus chain, that means large language models for Lang, as well as chain is for combining these LLMs, like chaining these LLMs. So LangChain is built around LLMs like OpenAI's GPT, Hugging Face models and others. With LangChain, you can easily chain together multiple steps or components like retrieving data from a database or document store, processing this data to generate embeddings. You can also generate responses using an LLM. With that, interact with APIs and databases. Here are the features of LangChain. You can easily integrate with LLMs. It provides a unified interface to interact with different models. Create chains of operations in which the output of one step is added as an input to the next step. For example, a chain that retrieves relevant documents and answer using an LLM. LangChain also supports memory. As the name suggests, memory is used to store and retrieve context across interactions. Through this, you can easily build chatbots or applications that require context from previous interactions, like memory. LangChain also provides tools for indexing as well as to retrieve documents. So you would be knowing about RAG. So RAG is retrieval augmented generation. LangChain also helps in building RAG systems like a vector store to retrieve relevant documents for a query. LangChain also supports agents that are systems using LLMs to decide what actions to take and in what order. Like an agent to ease the sales work, an agent that can interact with external APIs or databases. LangChain also provides tools for prompts so that you can easily manage and optimize prompts. LangChain is modular, that allows developers to mix and match components so that custom workflows can be easily built. Let us now see the use cases of LangChain. If you want to build a system for question answering, you can easily achieve this with LangChain. This will retrieve relevant information and generate answers. Easily create conversational agents that maintains context across interactions like a chatbot. Implement RAG also with LangChain so that you can get text which is more accurate and based on your own documents. You can also summarize text, easily summarize long documents or articles with LangChain. Easily build tools so that codes can be generated. With that, easily create personal virtual assistants for tasks like scheduling, retrieving information, drafting an email, and others. So in this lesson, we saw what is LangChain, its features. We also saw the use cases. Thank you for watching the video.